Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing this rubber band with, we're gonna try to blow up this tomato with all these rubber bands. Here we go, let me show you more. Hold on about it. And all these rubber bands, we're blowing it up with all these rubber bands. Okay, now I'm gonna start going ahead and put one. I couldn't find something else, and I figured a tomato wouldn't take that long, so I chose a tomato. I got this idea from my friend, the one I always shout out, PKLO. Like I said, subscribe to him. To my sister, I'll put all these in the links. I'm double tying this. Oh, I can't see it. I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna find a flash resource. Alright, I'm back, guys. I had to go get my mom's phone for a flashlight. She let me borrow it because I told her I was making a video. So let's get back to what I was doing. It's already starting to get tight. My sister's doing slime. Juice. Look at that. What you about to do?
I'm picking up the slime with this.
Who's ready for Halloween? Comment down what you're gonna be. Oh crap. Comment down what y'all gonna be for Halloween. Get this video to 10 likes and I'll do a killer clown prank at Halloween. Uh-oh, sorry, it's starting to pop. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I think it already popped. Oh no, it's almost popping. Oh, it already popped. It popped, guys. Let me just put this last one on there. Alright, it popped. Let me take this off now. Yeah, it popped. It just didn't do what I was thinking it was gonna do. Oh, dang it, it's getting all in my face. Ugh. There you go. Yep, it popped. See? It popped. Now it's gonna be a struggle to get these rubber bands off. I thought I was gonna use all these rubber bands, that's how I know how to ball a lot. Anyways, comment down below what should I do next to pop with these rubber bands. And I'll do it if I find it. It can't be watermelon because I can't find watermelons, I guess because the watermelon season is over. Look at that, guys. I'll be back, guys. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. This how I ended up like. There you go. It just took me these 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, I don't know, like 14 rubber bands, I guess. That's how much it took me. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, comment what I should do next, and thank you.